Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So the first thing that you want to start off doing is drenching your hair in water. That's the only way I can get my hair flat. I mean, if you can get it flat on its own, then kudos to you, because I cannot. So I really have to drench my hair in water and detangle with my Tangle teezer brush. So yeah, you want to get as many knots out of your hair as possible because you do want your hair to be extremely flat. So what I'm going to do is just part my hair down the center with my tail comb. And guys, look at this. So I tried to like sleek down the front of my hair with a comb, and then this happened. Never use a small tooth comb on your natural hair. It's like the worst idea ever. So I'm taking my Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel, and I did put some on the top of my hair and the back of my hair, and this really helps to hold the hair in place and really sleek it down. You could use whatever gel that you're comfortable with, but I like the Argan Oil Gel. And I'm just using my brush and just smoothing my hair down. So as you can see, I've just brushed everything back into one, and I'm trying to make the back of my hair as flat as possible, trying to get any lumpy areas to lay low, so that it can be nice and sleek. Yeah, and I'm just gonna take my headband and catch that into a ponytail. Now I'm going to braid up the rest of my hair, that way it can stay hidden within the rest of the extensions that I'm about to put in. So the hair that I'm about to use is from Sassina hair. It is 100% virgin hair, and it is in the style Kinky Curly. I feel like this style could be worn with any type hair, like 4A, 4B, 4C. It came with a comb, and it also came with eyelashes, which are really cute. I was actually wearing them in the video, so they're really nice. So first I'm starting off with the end of the weft, actually the beginning of the weft, and I'm just going to bobby pin that part down. And what I'm gonna do is, after I bobby pin it, I'm just going to wrap the rest of that bundle around my ponytail. So my actual braid will be holding the bundle. So yeah, it's super easy, guys. And as every time I wrap my hair around, I do tighten it, so it's extremely tight and it's not going anywhere. I also washed this hair like my own, and honestly, it was so soft and even more beautiful after. I feel like it matched my hair texture just perfectly after I washed it. Like, honestly, everybody thought it was my hair. But I don't mind, it's cute. So I was like, yeah, it's mine. So after I bobby pin the end of the weft, I'm just taking my headband and just wrapping that around my ponytail, just to hide any of the tracks if it might peek through, and it does give your ponytail a more realistic look. So that's exactly what I was going for. And yeah, as you can see, it actually looks like it's my hair. So now for my edges, I like to spray my edges with some water and then use my toothbrush and Eco Styler gel and just kind of like play around with them. Honestly, I never know what I'm doing to my edges at all, because it's not like I have baby hair like that. So I really just like play around with the toothbrush, and it's actually fun for me. So I do like to take out my sideburns and curl those up. So this is actually one of the most important steps in this process. I'm going to be taking my headscarf, and this is going to really mold your hair down and really give you that sleek look that you want. So it really flattens the hair, and I only left it on for 5 minutes, but if you have more time, the longer you leave it on, the better. So I'm just going to use my curl enhancing smoothie from Shea Moisture, and I'm just using a little bit, and I am actually applying this to the hair itself, and this is going to help the curls to pop and just soften the hair a little bit more. This hair does really well with the products I use in my actual hair. So yeah, and I'm just kind of like detangling that a little bit because I didn't want the curls to be so defined. So I just kind of fluffed that out with my brush. So after 5 minutes, you can see that my hair got really molded down, and it's super flat and super sleek, just the way we like it. And guys, I just have to say one more time how much I'm obsessed with this hair. This is the best curly hair so far that I've gotten or I've ever worn. So I'm really in love with it, and I highly recommend it to all my curly girls out there because I feel like it will blend with everyone's hair. I'll have all the details listed below about the specific hair that I have in, and I also have a $10 off coupon code that you guys can use to get the hair, which is an amazing deal. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will definitely see you again in my next one. Bye!